Welcome the ultimate professional toolkit for architects and designers. In this fast-paced environment, our tools help you overcome constraints and exceed client expectations. In today's fast-paced world, professionals face immense time constraints and evolving expectations. The toolkit simplifies processes with professional templates, from proposals to detailed floor plans. By standardizing your documentation, we reduce errors and let you focus on pure creativity. Foster seamless collaboration and communication across your design team. Manage your business effectively with our integrated planning and budgeting tools. Enhance client trust through professional presentations that communicate your vision with absolute clarity. Access a customized library of resources tailored for your practice. Monitor your performance in real time with advanced project tracking features. Ensure uniform practices and reduce errors throughout your entire team through standardization. Create visually stunning presentations that build deep trust with every client. Whether you're a freelancer or a studio, our platform scales with you. Streamline your workflow, reduce stress, and achieve sustained growth. Welcome to the future of design management. Empower your practice with the ultimate toolkit.